what George is trying to do, and George is really a friend and really one of my heroes. What he's trying to do is not really bring the mammoth back. It's to introduce enough genetic changes into the embryo of an Asian elephant to make it look and function even very similar to a woolly mammoth, which is different than, for example, finding enough intact DNA to actually clone a woolly mammoth. And I'm of two minds. I mean, it probably, if the science gets good enough, I mean, to say that, well, we're going to have them and we'll introduce them into tundra areas that have been destroyed by climate change and they can play a role in an ecosystem, yeah, that's conceivable. I mean, there are lots of animals that are being driven to extinction. The problem is when once extinction happens, it happens, and then the ecosystems change. And so if we bring these species back who haven't existed for thousands of years, we don't know what impact that's going to have on current ecosystems. Maybe they won't have any predators. Maybe they'll change these. So the danger is we could actually do a lot of harm to existing species in the name of bringing back extinct species. That doesn't mean we can't do it, but as with all of this, we need to be very careful. We need to be methodical. We need to be transparent. We need to be inclusive, have an inclusive decision-making process, so that we don't make kind of big, scary, dangerous mistakes.